Bro, look at the screen right here. Real paper account, real balance, created right there in Africa. No VPN, no cousin in America doing it for you. No shady workaround, nothing, and it took me less than 5 minutes. For 20 years, we couldn't even sign up properly. You try and it failed, and you just sit there like, what exactly did Africa do to paper personally? That era is done. By the end of this video, you will have your own, but do not skip step 6. That is where 90% of people mess up and get their account frozen before they even touch $1. Let's go. If you are in Nigeria, Ghana, Zambia, Kenya, anywhere on this continent, you know this pain. You see dollar-paying jobs, remote work, freelance gigs online, and the moment it says paper only, the door slams in your face. Finished. Not anymore. Yes, this is the full setup, step by step, exactly how I did it. No padding, no running around. And if you are new here, I drop video like this every single week for young Africans building income online. Hit that subscribe right now. Okay, let's get into it. Here is what changed. Paper officially partnered with PAGA, a licensed Nigeria fintech. This is not a hack. This is not my guy connected me. This is a legal official partnership. That bridge right there is what's finally letting African plug into the global payment system properly. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search PAGA, P-A-G-A. Download the official app, blue checkmark, verify listing, not the one someone sent you on WhatsApp. That is how people get scammed. Get the real one. Step 3. Sign up and do your KYC. Open PAGA. Sign up with your phone number. They send you an OTP. Enter it. Straightforward. Now, here is where you have to be serious. KYC. They need your NIN, your national ID number. Fill everything in properly because paper will not connect to an unverified PAGA account. Skip this step carelessly and the whole thing collapses later. It usually clears in a few minutes, so just do it right. Once you are inside PAGA, look top right, tap NG account. 3 options show: NGN account, US dollar account, and paper account. Tap paper account. Okay, pause for a second. This is literally what millions of Africans have been waiting 20 years for. If this video found you today, you are early. Don't close this tab. And if this is already making sense, tap like right now. It tells YouTube to push this to other Africans who need it. Go on. I wait. Thank you. Tap connect paper. Let it load. If you already have a Nigerian paper account, just log in. If you don't, which is most of us, tap sign up. This is the step I warned you about from the beginning. The form loads, and this is where the magic happens. Your name, your location, your details are already fed in. PAGA passes your verified information straight to paper automatically. All you need to do is enter your date of birth. Tap next, then a security check. Tap I am human. Paper sends you an OTP. Enter it. One more check. Done. But listen, some people rush this part and type something that doesn't match their NIN. Paper flags the account immediately before it even opens properly. So slow down. Match everything exactly to your NIN. Everything. Yes. You will see a screen that says paper in partnership with PAGA. That is your confirmation you are in the official flow, not a fake site, not a scam. Now, set up your profile. Enter your email. Create a strong password, not your birthday, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Something real that you will remember. Tick the box to accept paper terms. Tap agree and create account. Let it load. And boom, paper account created. Now, a screen appears asking you to connect your paper account back to PAGA. Read the terms. If you are good with it, tap agree and connect. You will see account connecting in process. This is what allows you to withdraw paper money straight to your Nigeria bank account later. Don't skip it. This is the most key step in this entire process. Go to the inbox of the email you just used to register. There's an email from PayPal sitting there. Open it. Tap confirm email address. Without doing this, your account stays restricted. You can't send, can't receive. Nothing works. You will just be on YouTube complaining that PayPal is not working, when really you just don't even check your inbox. Verify the email. Verify it. Jump back into PAGA. Tap NGN account top right. Tap PayPal. Since your account now exists, just sign in with your email and password. Tap proceed. PayPal send one final OTP to confirm it's you. Enter it. Tap proceed. Let it load. Tap continue and look at that your PayPal live inside PAGA. From Africa, you will see two buttons, top up and withdraw. Send, receive and withdraw straight to your Nigeria bank, fully working under 5 minutes. Last thing, and this matters more than the setup itself. 1. Never use it for anything fraudulent. PayPal system caches it fast, and when they ban you, there's no big appeal form. You are done permanently. 2. Add a description to every transaction. Freelance writing, payments for design work. Veiled money makes PayPal nervous and triggers freezes. 3. Grow it slowly. Don't try to receive a massive first payment. Let the account age. Let PayPal system trust you. This is a long game. PayPal is the door. What you actually build with it, that is on you. If this helped you, drop your country in the comments right now. Nigeria, Zambia, Kenya. I want to see how far this reaches. Like the video, hit subscribe, and I see you in the next one. I'm Richey, and we keep building, and you wake up.